Hello Scrappy ladies, thank you for joining me again. Today's layout is for the love of homemade kits, and I got this idea off of Instagram. Everyone was posting their top 9 in 2019, and I decided to kind of cut all of those top 9 layouts that I did in 2019 into little 2x2 squares. And so I printed them on 4x6 with just using an app that gave me 6 per 4x6 photo print, and that can help you save on your printing. And I'm still using, and I'm very happy that I used everything from my kit still. So the monotone oh my goodness, the monotone paper is the Chamel Sparkle City, and I go ahead and mat it on this black and white paper for a few of them, and then I take my striped paper that was in that aqua teal color for the other few. And I wanted to make it look like, what do they call them? Polaroid photos kind of thing. So I have like a larger space toward the bottom and not at the top, but everything has a small border all the way around. So I'm just trying to get the exact length that I had for the white paper and do it for the green as well. And I like those tones with the white that is black and white. On this, I still kind of am going for this monochromatic look, which I actually really like. And I do like the way this layout turned out. And I did, like I said, very proud using my kit and got a lot of stickers and cardstock stickers used on this layout. So it's really fun. And so I know a lot of people had did the little grid for the top 9 for the year, so I actually might do this for like my just my mom and page or whatever, because all the pictures there that were in my top 9 were of baby Valentina, and you know, I just can't get enough of my child, so I might do that as well. But this one was fun to kind of scrap your most popular layouts for the year. If you saw my recent video of my top 10 for the year that I loved, I think 4 of the ones that are on there were actually my favorites as well. So that's pretty good, actually. So to add interest to my layout, I am going to raise all 9 of the squares with some fun foam. This is fun foam I got from Walmart. It is already sticky on one side and not on the other. I usually adhere the sticky side straight to the cardstock, or or the detail or the embellishment that I am using, and then I usually go in with liquid glue on this to stick back onto the 12 by 12, just because I have used my tape runner before, but even if I'm using my permanent Tombow double-sided tape, I feel like it doesn't stick well. I think it's the foam, it just doesn't have a good contact, different than paper. So that's just my recommendation. So here I am. Now I know actually for my kit, originally I pulled the Pick Me Up collection, which I had the full entire cardstock stickers as well as the chipboard stickers. But because I was scrapping my scrappy layouts, I actually had the same cardstock stickers and chipboard stickers with the Whimsical collection as well. So I busted that set out instead with all of the cute little, hot glue gun and paintbrushes and little knickknacks that we all use in our craft supplies, to help assist the creativity and the fact that I am documenting my scrappy layouts in this layout, which I've never actually done before. I've never actually like scrapped a photo of a layout. So it was a first time for that. But like I said, I did get to use a lot of the elements from the Whimsical collection because that one was crafty themed from Paige Evans. So I'm still super happy that I made a pretty good dent in both of those collections, because to me, I'm just thinking to myself, use your stash, Evie. Use your stash, use your stash. So before, I would always buy stuff and then hoard them because I never wanted to waste, or I always used to use only a few elements per layout, and I'm sure I'm not alone in thinking that. But right now, I'm just kind of in the mind frame, like, use it. Use it, put in your album, look at the pretty stuff that you buy, throw it all on there, even if it's probably way too much detail and embellishment, but use it. Use it up. And like I said, normally before, if I purchased it, I would always try to use like 1 or 2 pieces and then save more for other layouts, but this time I was just kind of like, let's go bananas. So I have a lot of little details all around all 9 photos. And I'll admit, I actually liked the way it came out. Like, at first I was like, should I still keep on going? Okay, I can use this one. Oh, this is cute. Let's throw on some clouds. Let's throw on a flare. I use like 2 flare buttons too. Let's throw on this sentiment. Let's put this frame behind there. I even use a lot of the border stamps. You'll see one at the top left, one in this bottom left, and I do put one on the right side as well. So I even use like the little border ones. But it was actually really fun, really therapeutic, and I got to play, and I also got to play up a lot with the layers, so I can tuck some things under the photos. I put a few things on top. I wasn't afraid to have things over the actual photos themselves. I kind of liked building on each of these clusters to showcase A, the photo, and B, also all the little elements from the Paige Evans collections. So for my title, I do use the thickers I selected for my kit were these Dear Lizzie ones that are like half black and white with like some polka dots in the between. And so I'm making the title simply be #top9. And I footsie around to make sure it's in the center. I think I scooch it over, yeah, just a little bit. And that wraps up this video. I hope you've been enjoying this series with these lovely ladies that I joined on YouTube. I'll leave the playlist down below for you to follow everyone else's. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.